In this video, we'll look at the new features that have been added to the platform. Let's take a look at the Cards block. Create a mini app and give it a name. Let's add the Cards block. This block allows you to create buttons in the form of cards that can be swiped, as well as add actions for these cards. A card can be round or rectangular. We can customize the height and width of the cards. The size is initially set to automatic. In this case, the picture will be displayed in their original size. Also, we can change the pixels or percentages. Also, if you set one parameter in the exact value and the other auto, the size of the image will change according to the specified parameter without spoiling their proportions. In the advanced settings, we can select Mark New Cards. In this way, a viewed card will have a special outline. There is also an option that moves the viewed card to the end. Let's click on the Add Card button and upload the necessary files. Let's consider the Substitution block. Create another mini app. Let's give it a name. We have a new block, Substitution. Add it. This block allows you to substitute content from another mini app. Let's enter the name of the mini app to be substituted. This block is suitable for managing repetitive elements in different mini apps. For example, contact block, menu and similar. Consider pop-ups. It is now possible to call pop-ups for mini apps. They have two types, the usual one with a button and one without a button, which will show text at the bottom of the screen. You can call pop-ups through actions and in the button settings. Let's add the Show Pop-up action. Choose the option with the button and write the necessary text. Now let's consider an input form with a list type. Let's add a block input form. In the input type, select a new type, list. It allows you to display a list of items in which you can select one or more options. You can add options in 4 ways: manually by uploading a TXT file, by connecting Google Sheets or NoCoDB. Let's fill it in. The value field will write data to a variable. You can substitute a numeric value into it for further mathematical operations, or leave it empty. Then the name of the variant will be automatically written into it. Let's consider substitution in input forms with the option selection type. Let's add another input form. In the input type, select Selecting an option. Let's expand one of the options. And click on Advanced Settings. Now you can do substitution in this type. The content of another mini app will be substituted when the user selects the option. This will be convenient in the case when you need to ask clarifying questions for the user. Let's consider the HTML block. Also new is the HTML block. Let's add it and fill it in. In addition, in advanced settings, you can add HTML code to the head tag on a specific page. On the bot settings page, in the Mini Apps tab, you can add HTML code for all mini apps. Most often, it is necessary for services that collect statistics. Let's take a look at the customization settings. Advanced customization of mini apps has also been added. Click on the Style header and select the Customize option. The customization allows you to set your own colors, sizes, and fonts for the mini app. It is important to note that initially you need to choose the design of which operating system will be taken as the initial option. For our example, let's change the color. Save the changes. Let's consider the formulas in the text. Expand the start comment and add a text block. Now you can make calculations directly in the text without the need to create new variables. To make a calculation, you need to write it in the following way. Let's add an inline keyboard and add a jump to main mini app. Save and publish the changes. Let's test the bot in Telegram. Send the start comment and launch the mini app. Great, everything works correctly.